Friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video I'm going to show how to make sweet and sour hog plum. In we Goans call it Ambadeachem Sansav. Let's do this very sweet and in a tangy flavor. Hog plums, as you know, it's already tangy. For that, to add sweetness, I have used jaggery, which is 2 tablespoons. First, what you have to do is, first I will explain what all things we require, and then we will start with the procedure method. I have taken half a coconut, grated fresh coconut. In that I have added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 5 of chilies, Kashmiri dry chilies. These are not spicy, but this gives you a color. 6 of garlic clove, peeled and kept. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, whole cumin, and half a teaspoon of coriander, dry coriander. So first step, what we have to do is we need to apply jaggery. First we have to apply jaggery for this, and salt as per the taste. We have to mix this properly and keep it on the side for at least half an hour. Friends, check this out. This I've already marinated with salt and jaggery. Jaggery I've used sugarcane jaggery, 2 tablespoons, and salt. Salt you have to go a little bit on a salty side so that it absorbs salt. This we have to keep for at least half an hour on the side before we start preparing our dish. So once this get marinated, we'll have to grind all the masala. All these ingredients together with water, I will put this in the blender jar and get this grind to a very fine paste. So guys, let's start making hog plum Ambadeachem Sansav. My pan is already hot. Now I will add oil to this. First thing what you have to do is 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And few of curry leaves. Now I will add what we have made paste and kept, all the ingredients. Let's pass some water to this. I check out the color. Add some water and let this cook for a while. As we all know, this is a traditional dish, and Goans specially make this during Ganesh Chaturthi and Diwali. Very popular. And try this recipe, follow each and every step, and I assure you that you all will love this sweet and sour hog plum, which we call Ambadeachem Sansav. We'll let this on slow range, let it simmer. Guys, this is already simmering. Now I will add hog plum to this. Hog plum I have taken 12. Now we'll leave this on simmer on a very slow range. and we have to cook this till they are nicely done. Guys, check this out. Hog plum curry is ready now. This I have kept it on simmer till the hog plums are nicely cooked. Check out the thickness. This is how it should be. I'm going to switch off the flame, and this is ready to be served now. This, while cooking, you need to cover it and keep, as you have seen the lid I have taken out, and this has to cook on a very slow flame for at least 30 to 35 minutes. Check this out. Check this out. This is ready to be served now. Look how delicious it is, and also taste is perfect. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and even tell your friends and family. Thank you very much.